Welcome to E-Row Battery. Today we are going to do a battery replacement on a Maserati Ghibli. This is the same procedure from 2014 to 2019. So we are going to start by disconnecting the negative terminal. Then after you disconnect the negative terminal, we are going to take a 13mm nut that hold down the positive wire. Once disconnected, put it to the side so it doesn't touch anything. Just be sure to move the negative clamp to the side so it doesn't touch the negative terminal. Now we are going to remove this plastic screw clamp. You can tell by the red color and these two screws. Just take them out, put them in a safe spot. Then after that, we are going to loosen the 10mm nut on the positive terminal. We remove the entire positive terminal fuse harness and put them to the side, so we have enough clearance to move the battery hold down. This bracket uses a 10mm bolt, so using a 10mm socket with an extension is recommended. After the bolt is loosened, you can use your hand to retrieve the bolt, and if it's too hard, you can use a magnet since it's easier. Alright, once you take out the hold down, now you can remove the side strap on the side of the battery. Once you take out the side strap, then we are going to try to take out the battery and move all the wire on the side. Try to have some clearance so you don't break anything or don't cut yourself. So the old battery was a regular battery. This is an AGM Platinum battery which will last longer. Alright, we are going to lay the battery like 70 degrees with the negative terminal toward the front of the trunk. Move all the wires so you can have enough clearance. Then we are going to start first by installing the battery hold down. Pull down the bracket, then use a flathead screwdriver as a guide to help direct the bolt into the hole. Then we are going to use the 10mm socket with an extension. Next, we are going to install the positive fuse harness. It has to clip down on the battery. Here, I'm going to bang it a bit so the clamp can completely hug the battery terminal. And we are going to install the plastic screw clamp. This fastens the harness to the battery with two Phillips head screws. Then we install the wire. Install and tighten the 13mm nuts. Once that's tight, we are going to do the 10mm nut on the battery negative terminal. The positive, then the negative. Yeah, here is a quick tip. Use a flathead screwdriver to help you open the battery terminal clamp to place it into the terminal. It will make your life easier. Then tighten the 10mm nut. Alright, then put everything back. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please don't forget to like so more people can watch these videos.